How to start a carpet cleaning business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a carpet cleaning business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you're passionate about cleanliness, enjoy working with your hands, and want to be your own boss, then this is the perfect venture for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of carpet cleaning, it's essential to lay down a solid foundation for your business. Let's begin with the first step, planning. Define your niche. Identify the target market you want to serve. Determine if you want to focus on residential or commercial clients, or perhaps both. Acquire the right equipment. Invest in high-quality carpet cleaning equipment, such as a powerful vacuum cleaner, carpet extractor, cleaning solutions, and accessories. These tools will ensure you provide top-notch service to your customers. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan will guide you through the startup phase and attract potential investors or lenders. Register your business. Choose a name for your carpet cleaning company and register it with the appropriate local authorities. Don't forget to obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your area. Establish a network. Attend local business events, join industry associations, and connect with other professionals in the field. Building a strong network can lead to referrals and collaborations that will help grow your business. Now that you have a solid foundation in place, let's dive into the practical side of carpet cleaning. Pre-vacuum the carpet. Before deep cleaning, always start by thoroughly vacuuming the carpet to remove loose dirt and debris. This will make the cleaning process more effective. Spot cleaning. Treat any stubborn stains with appropriate cleaning solutions and techniques. Remember, different types of stains require different approaches, so familiarize yourself with stain removal methods. Deep cleaning. Use a carpet extractor to deep clean the carpet. Move the extractor slowly to allow for better extraction and ensure all areas are covered. This step will remove embedded dirt, allergens, and odors from the carpet fibers. Finally, let's talk about customer service and growing your carpet cleaning business. Provide exceptional service. Deliver outstanding customer experiences by being punctual, professional, and attentive to your customers' needs. A satisfied customer is more likely to become a loyal, repeat client and refer you to others. Market your business. Utilize various marketing strategies, including online platforms like social media, a website, and online directories. Traditional methods like distributing flyers or business cards can also be effective in attracting local customers. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, techniques, and equipment. Attend workshops, training sessions, and online courses to enhance your skills and knowledge. And that wraps up our guide on starting a carpet cleaning business. Remember, it takes dedication, hard work, and exceptional customer service to succeed in this industry. So, get out there, make a plan, invest in quality equipment, and provide top-notch service. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.